Hey there, Prime Product Plus family. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for all things innovative and top-notch. I'm Sophia, and today we've got something truly special for you. Feast your eyes on the Beat XP Flash Massage Gun, the ultimate game changer in relaxation and recovery. Now, before we dive into the incredible features of this powerhouse, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest and greatest from Prime Product Plus. But wait, there's more. Stick around till the end because we've got an exclusive warranty offer that you won't want to miss. It's the Prime Product Plus promise, quality and satisfaction guaranteed. Alright, let's talk about power. The Beat XP Flash Massage Gun is equipped with a mighty brushless motor, boasting a frequency range from 2000 RPM to 3200 RPM. And with the innovative Quiet Wave Plus technology, it operates at less than 45 dB even at max speed. That's quieter than a whisper. Now we all know how frustrating it can be when your gadgets run out of juice. But fear not. The Beat XP Flash Massage Gun comes with a high-capacity 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, ensuring you can enjoy a soothing massage for 3 to 5 hours. And with Swift Charge technology, it's back to full power in just 2-3 hours. Comfort is key, and that's why we love the sleek, lightweight design of this massage gun. The rubber handle with its ergonomic grip adds that extra touch of luxury, making your massage experience even more enjoyable. Say goodbye to awkward, uncomfortable massages. Now let's talk customization. With the Beat XP Flash Massage Gun, you're in control. The one button. Smart Touch Control lets you effortlessly switch between 6-speed levels, and the LED indicator keeps you informed. Plus, those battery indicator LEDs ensure you're never caught off guard. Prime Product Plus family, this is more than just a massage gun. It's a lifestyle upgrade. With a stellar 4.2 rating on Amazon, it's clear that users everywhere are loving the Beat XP Flash Massage Gun. Ready to elevate your relaxation game? Click the link in the description below to make the Beat XP Flash Massage Gun yours. Don't forget to hit that like button. Stay tuned for more Prime Product Plus discoveries. Happy relaxing, everyone!